As a diesel owner, you know that keeping your engine running at optimal temperatures is critical to the life of your truck. Well, the XDP 6.7 engine oil cooler is a great solution for all your oil cooling needs. The XDP 6.7 engine oil cooler is specifically designed to keep your engine oil temperatures down, even under heavy loads. It features a high-efficiency stack plate design that restores cooling for your Cummins engine. The XD417 is the perfect replacement for the faulty oil cooler in your Dodge 6.7 Cummins. Designed to provide factory-like fitment, this oil cooler will continue to help maintain the proper function of the oil system in your Cummins engine. Constructed from high-quality materials, the XDP 6.7 oil cooler will provide you with a long service life and an easy direct fit installation. Get your XDP 6.7 engine oil cooler today and experience proper cooling and engine longevity. Shop now at xdp.com or contact a local dealer near you.